small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Boost friendly. It's all hooped and everything. Custom grind camshaft. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Got the new front end on it. Vortech Supercharger. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 599 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 809, peak horsepower 905. So with this tune in it, so everything's good. I'm going to show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. I highly recommend looking at all of it. Have a great day.